show. How's it going? Good morning, good morning. What is happening? How was the Asia session so far? Shenanigan, welcome. Good morning. Smash the like. Thank you, thank you. So, yesterday was pretty interesting. Definitely interesting. Bill Hohen, stay there. Good morning. Welcome. Kumza, hey, welcome back. All right, look at this. I mean, ever since yesterday, this is pretty much what's going on. We're congesting into an area. I wonder for how long. I passed a couple of funding tick evals yesterday. Let's go. Good morning, Marco. Hello there. Curry Fishbowl. Marco, what's up? High is 417. I gotta change this. All right. What's up, Zacromancer? Hello. So, low is 53.75. Let's see. All right. So, we're pretty much, as I said, we're congesting down into this area. It's pretty interesting to see what's happening here. All right. And seems like the market is going a little bit higher. But let's see how far. I haven't started Quant Hour yet. Seems like a bullish thing happening. It seems like it, but the problem is, I don't see. I mean, the only level I see here would be that supply zone on the 15-minute. Now that's cool. Let's see the distance. Actually, it's very good. It's not bad. If I could see a pullback, all I need is a pullback into a... I mean, I could go with a 1-minute fair value gap in this case. So if I would see a pullback, I would be interested. Taking that pullback. Let me start up my super magical indicators from the future. Satish, hello there. Welcome. Oh yeah, by the way, totally forgot that Apex is back to Apex is back to 80%. So not 90, but Apex is back to 80%. All right. Just a second. Hey, Tiger, what's up? How you doing, man? All right, so we're going higher. Look at this. Wow. Quite amazing. Still no pullback. I might gonna put a limit order. Or I'm just gonna be super aggressive here. Yeah, I'm gonna be super aggressive here. I'm gonna be super aggressive. Can we go for 35? Yes, I think we can go 35. Yeah, that's 400. All right, I like that. Yeah, what a break here. Anyway. All right, too many things here. Oh, here it is. Okay. So here's what I'm looking for with this trade particularly. Okay. So my plan is that we should go finally into that 15-minute supply zone higher. And that is what I'm looking for. Okay. Nice move here. Gold also looking good. Wow, Apex has a reset for $25. So every evaluation account is down 80%, but the resets are only 25. Whew. And they still have the discount lifetime PA fees. All right, I'm gonna buy some. The resets are really good on Apex. What is going on here? Are we going higher? We are, right? Yeah, we are. Okay, don't worry, I'm here. I was just reading, sorry guys. Hey Gabor, good morning. Thank you so much, Gabor, thank you. Hey Randall, hey, good to see you. Yesterday was a technical day. Oh yes, it was. Yeah, it was really difficult and actually tricked me like multiple times. It was I mean, I'm not saying difficult, but technical and tricky. Hey Jonathan, welcome. Fast 300 Lucid Flex. Oh, and I got those. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Good job. Straight ripping finally. I don't know why. I don't know why is this, because I just checked the news and there's nothing special. But you know, look at this. I'm gonna zoom out. This is the 5-minute chart, so it doesn't really matter the candle formation. But look at the move here. Congesting into this area and now finally breaking higher. 15-minute supply zone. That's my target. Even if it pulls back, I don't care. 15-minute supply zone is what I'm looking for, basically. So let's get it, everybody. I mean, don't copy trade, but I'm just saying, like, that's the idea. But obviously it can pull back. Look at the fair value gap on the 5 minute. It can go down any moment, down to 300. Non-reasonable. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it happens, Gabor. It happens. How's the market open next week? That's a good question. I have to look into the CME schedule. Alfred, hello. Alfred Sokoli, welcome to the channel. Thanks for subscribing. Yeah, so I have to check the CME website, how the markets are gonna open or stay open or partially open next week. I guess everybody wants to know. Actually, it's up there, I think. I just have to check the schedule. Yeah, I think a lot of traders got faked out. Definitely. A lot of traders got faked out. Yeah, that's amazing, right? That's cool. Hey, good job there. Really good job. Consistent trader, hello. Do you think this pop happened as London opened with already a low value? Well, London has not opened yet. We still have time, 49 minutes until London opened, but I can, you know, I don't know. I don't know. But one thing I know is this. There has to be liquidity up there, and there's a beautiful absolute textbook 15-minute supply zone up there. That's all I know. And for me, that's enough. You know, for me, that's enough to take a risk on this one. And that's how simple it is. Nick Hayslip, hello. Bullish. Yeah, it's bullish. But again, there's a fair value gap here on the 5 minutes. So this is the 5-minute chart. And so, you know, it can pull back anytime into that gap. So that's why you got to go in with proper risk. Pare, hello there. So getting into the let's go. Baby steps and careful because of Christmas. But I obviously, you know, we checked the moves from last year and 2 years ago. There were some decent moves around Christmas. So, you know, why not? What's up with my connection here? Okay, should be better. So let's see. What can we do here? It seems like gold is popping higher, or at least it should. Yeah, nothing else. Let's see how far it goes. This trade looks good so far. Okay, Bell, hello there. 15-minute zone, open full port long. No full porting. No full porting. Good to see K-Bell. I need one more day for a payout, trying not to get that. Don't get the FOMO. Don't get the FOMO. TRADEDAY just suggest here to say, okay. Thank you so much for joining us, K-Bell. Closing 12:15 Christmas Eve. Okay. Equities trade Friday. Okay, so there's gonna be trading. Good to know. Okay. Thank you. Martin, hello, good morning. Oh, yeah, that's a good risk management plan. Consistent trader. Santarelli. Yeah, could be. Yeah, something like that, Jonathan. Topic. Yeah, topic idea. Yeah, Asia, London. Oh, good idea. Okay, but I'm gonna write this down. Topic idea. I'm gonna write this down in a second. Okay, Asia, London versus New York. Asia / London versus New York. Ooh, K-Bell. I'm definitely gonna bring this up. I'm putting here on a sticky note. Good. Thank you. Good morning, investor. Hello there. Oh, I have to. Okay, ES Gold versus NQ. Okay, I love this. ES / GC versus Gold versus come on, NQ. Thank you. I love it. 2025 price action. Okay, I love it. I love it. Note it down. Thank you so much. Those are really good ideas. Really, really good ideas. Makes it easy for me. I don't have to think anymore on that topic. Investor, how are you doing? Good to see you, by the way. Investor 001. Basically the #1 investor. Well, yesterday we got carried away too much with the chart, so we were in a bit of a hurry there. And Nick is always in a hurry because he's managing his trading group or something. I don't know, but yeah. Bank of Japan raised from 0.50 to 0.75 the rates. Okay. 3-year high. Could that be the cause of this move? UK retail sales. There was some retail sales in UK. Yeah, there's Bank of Japan. There's one retail sales number actually better, right? No? That was the only thing this morning at 2 a.m. Change in the total value of inflation adjusted sales at the relative level. Oh my gosh, who here has a degree of economics? It's from -0.9 up to -0.1. They were predicting 0.3 positive change in the total value of inflation adjusted sales. So the products that they are selling, they were estimating a higher price change on those products, but basically it's not that high. It's a little bit lower as expected. So prices haven't really changed all that much. I mean, yeah, they did, but it's not as not anyway, not as expensive as they thought it would be, or something like that. Is that good? I don't know. We're gonna dive into economics, everybody. We have to learn about these things a lot. Some people said the big short on NQ doing from, oh, okay, affects the dollar. Spending is going down, slowing economy. What you can claim, Rapid Legacy 25% off, first purchase now. Ah, nice. FUNDINGTICKS futures, nice. The yen, I mean, has an impact on dollar. Yeah, I know. The yen definitely has an impact on dollar. Yes. I have the TOMSABO code at FUNDINGTICKS. Yes. I haven't really. I want to make a review video about them because I'm trading a funded account with them, which is a secret. So it's still in the making. But yeah. I just haven't really pushed it that much, but I will. I got luck at the bottom, forgot left fork. Ah, really? 270. Oh my gosh, that's good. That's really good. Cobop, that's a real good entry. That's a real good one. Congrats. Then no. A little because the Bank of Japan hacked. So the Bank of Japan hike is causing this. Okay. What's the next prop firm? That next TPT? Well, next to TPT, MyFundedFutures, and you know, I have an all-time favorite. Not like, I mean, they are good, but you know, I gotta be straightforward and honest here. Like 1/3 of my payouts came from Bulenox this year, and that's a lot from one single prop firm to me. So Bulenox was really good to me. I was definitely trading by the rules, and I did everything I could. So Bulenox is good. Lucid Trading is coming up strong. So what would be the next to TPT? Like MyFundedFutures, and it's hard to say. TRADEDAY is solid. Lucid is coming up really strong. Lucid is extremely popular. Very, very popular right now. Yes, I'm in a long position. Yes, Nora. Yeah. In such situation with 3-5 gas below, enter from the it depends on the volume and the move, like how strong, how fast the market is moving. What I can do is enter with a with a small position here aggressively, and if it goes lower, I can maybe add one more down there, and that's it. As long as I can keep a positive risk to reward ratio, like in this case, so my target would be up there. As long as I can maintain a positive risk to reward ratio, I can take a trade anywhere, even here or lower, or even up here around 345. As long as I can stay with the positive risk to reward ratio, I like it. That's it. But obviously the optimal trade entry on this one would be lower, but I was a little bit aggressive on this. So yeah, carry trade on wind fields, on wind fears. Yeah, technicals. Oh my gosh, yes, I have to write this down too. Technicals versus fundamentals. Oh my gosh, more and more great topics from Eval. Thank you. I'm gonna share this with Nick and Terry. I think they're gonna like it real much. Thank you. I blew 4 accounts in the past for getting trade. Oh my gosh, it happens. day traders, I had no issue with them. I got paid out from trading, so I currently I don't have a funded account with them, but I had. Everything went smoothly, so no issue. Also, day traders has the same deal like Lucid, no monthly payments, although they have an activation fee, I think, right now. But no monthly payments on day traders, only a one-time payment for the evaluation account. Lucid it is, thanks. Yeah. Yeah, Lucid is really very strongly coming up right now. I'm hearing from others as well, and I'm not just saying this because like I'm seeing that I mean everybody on in social media is really much pushing Lucid, and I'm seeing payouts everywhere. Rules are particularly, I mean, like simple. Rules are simple. Rules are something that you can go by. So I really hope that they can maintain that in the long run. Mr. Account. Hey, thank you so much, Sarah. Hey, thank you from Romania. I saw your comment yesterday when I closed the stream. I couldn't answer. Sarah, thank you so much, neighbor. Let me give you an applause. Thank you for supporting. Thank you. Romania, beautiful country, by the way. Romania, absolutely beautiful. And, you know, thank you for the support. And everybody who were using the code. Thank you so much. Struggle with the self-discipline to wait for optimal entry. I know how it is. I know how it is. And it definitely takes extra discipline. I know. I mean, even just to try to hold yourself back, right? That definitely takes discipline, energy, and all that such. So I know. Kevin, hey there. Which copy trader? I use the built-in copy trader at Quant Tower. Quant Tower's built-in copy trader. Does your code work for Lucid? Yes. Yes. I don't know how much is the discount or there is any on the instant funded account, but you can try it. If it's not giving you discount, nobody's code will gonna give you a discount on the direct account, because usually they're not always give a discount on the instant funded accounts. But you know, you can try. You can try. What else do we have here? Well, so far we're stuck here in this area. Let's see what's gonna happen, right? Hold on, what's happening here? Where does this going? The short, the first paragraph gap at 340, a good idea. 340, hold on a second, just a second. It's kind of trying to figure out what is going on here. So let's see. 373 on the 2-minute chart. 2-minute chart. I haven't really used the 2-minute that much. Yeah, I see that. It's not a bad idea if you want to take a short. I mean, it's up to your strategy. I don't know. I haven't backtested this method. If I would take a short on this 2-minute fair value gap, I don't know how much it works after a move like this. I mean, it's it could go, but not a bad idea to go lower. But I would say this could be just a pullback, but we'll see. Edgar, hello. Yeah, I wish the same as well. Yesterday was a little bit, you know, it was tricky. It was PPI tomorrow. Oh yeah, we're gonna have PPI in New York session, right? Oh yeah. DJ music. No DJ music yet. Maybe later. Yet there's no DJ music, but who knows? Who knows? Herb, it does seem as if you're trying to go back towards the 15-minute fair value gap. Yes. We're there right now. So this would be the official pullback in this gap, and that would give us some thought, like how long is it? I mean, I'm not trading with trend lines. This is just, I don't know why I put it here. Oh yeah, because of this wedge here. But the thing is, you know, how about if this goes down to like 320 or whatever and then goes higher? But anyway, my trade is in a drawdown now, I think. Almost. Back to break even. So that's fine. Pinion Mendes Israel, hello. Hey, welcome. Yes, it's good to trade, but in London it's usually slow. RX, that's what I noticed. Yeah, I'm interested in the long as well, so I don't mind if it goes a little bit lower, but yeah, we'll see. Just waiting for now. Hey, good morning, Bessem. Hello there. So far, we are in a pullback, that's for sure. That's the only thing we know. Yeah, I know. I know, Pino Mendes, yeah. There could be some levels there. Yeah. Serial, hello. Welcome. Leaking Blob, hello. What's the best prop deal right now? Oh my gosh, there's so many deals. If you're looking for the technically the cheapest one, including activation fees as well, it's Funded Futures Network. Buy one, get one for free. For $75, you can get a 50K evaluation account with no activation fee. So that's $75. But guess what? You are going to get another one instantly for free. So that means you are getting a 50K evaluation account for $37.50. That is the cheapest one. Now there's a catch though. There is a catch. There's always a catch. The catch is if you blow up your initial account that you paid for, if you blow up the account and you cancel the subscription. So if you blow up the account, you don't have to cancel the monthly subscription. But if you cancel the subscription, they're going to take away your free account. So as long as you're still working on your free account, do not cancel the subscription on your initial paid account. That's the deal. And you can only have one account at a time. One free account, sorry, one free account at a time, not one account, one free account at a time. You can have multiple evaluation accounts, but one free account at a time. But guess what? You can get more free accounts, more than just one, after blowing up or passing a free account And because if you purchased more accounts during the promo, you can get a free account for all those purchases even after the promo ends. You just have to send support an email, and they're going to gift you a free account for all the other purchases as well. But only one free account can be active at a time. That's it. But that's the cheapest deal right now. The cheapest, including activation fee. Is any chance Bulenox gives sale on live account? Oh, activation fee. Sorry, live activation fee. I don't think so. They never did it before, Alfred. They never did a sale on the activation fee before. Hey, Caesar. Hello there. Good morning. SMT at the low smart money timing. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, for activation, I think that's where they make the money on the activation fees, because the evaluations are cheap, and obviously people are paying the activation fee, and they're well, let's just face it. Definitely there's some funded accounts being blown up real quick, so that's where they make the money, on the activation fees. Chris, hello. Good morning. I mean, the big money. Not much is going on so far. Which prop firm are you trying right now? All of them. I'm basically having an account with like every one of these. Apex, Bulenox, Funded Futures Network, Lucid Trading, MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, TRADEDAY. I'm trading with all of these, but not at once, so I'm not copy trading them. I'm rotating them. So I heard that TopStep was down again yesterday, obviously. Obviously, right? Did they fix it by lunch hour or during the PM session or something? I hope they did. Yeah, 3 days in a row. Controversial topic idea. Okay, I'm ready. Hope you're well. Thank you, Kev. I'm doing good. Thank you. Join. How got the tail? Oh, please, can you explain the BOGO F rule? It's very simple, actually. You can get multiple free accounts, but only one at a time. One can be active at a time. So if the promo ends and you purchase multiple accounts during the promo, and you pass or blow up one of your free accounts, you can request another free account. If you send the receipt to support, they are going to send you back a 100% discount code for another free account. That's how it basically goes. It's very simple. And the main thing, as I said, do not cancel the initial paid account, even if you blow it up, because if you cancel the paid account, they're going to take away your free account. That's how it is. It did not go down? Okay. Rough equal top step, yeah. There you go. Let's go. Let's go, Herb. Chris, good morning. Oh, nice. Halcyon. Heard the name. Okay, maybe I will even check the name. Yeah, it's typical, right? So anyway, I was expecting this kind of pullback, which is fine. And we have London open in 14 minutes, so I hope that it will continue higher. I really hope. Yeah. Oh no, look at that. It's not. I'm in drawdown now, so my trade is in drawdown. Oh my gosh, I'm way behind. My funded futures, yeah. Took the short. All right, let's go, consistent trader. 332. That was a good good entry. Good entry there. It could reprise the whole move here. And this is basically a demand zone down there on the 5 minutes, just saying, so it can also just, you know, go down again. How's Lucid? Well, they are very strongly coming up. They're very popular because only one-time payment, no activation fee, very simple rules to follow. So everybody keeps jumping on the bandwagon with Lucid. They are really coming up strong. Male and female traders. Okay, I'm gonna write this down. Male and female traders. Oh my gosh. Okay. That is, wow. Okay. That could be a spicy topic. Link. There's the buy one get one free promo up there in the chat. In Streamlabs, if you go there, you click on the link, you can see everything there. Funded Futures Network. Explore the neutrino of the world. Okay, yeah. If you scroll higher, you will see that Streamlabs actually put the link there. Yeah, very ugly price action. RX. Yeah. My Forex funds is, yeah, it seems like they want to make a comeback. They want to make a comeback. You're welcome, Kev. Parmeet, hello. Hey, Camille is back. Hey, Camille, what's up? Yeah, Lucid is stress-free because there's no monthly payment. It's a fun topic, yeah. I hope that some people, maybe ladies, won't take it the wrong way or something. I don't want to raise some negative vibe or anything. I mean, maybe that would be something for Terry and Nick, not me. Oh, you can't find it? Trading verse? I don't know. Difference between future spot and how does they both sync with each other? Oh, that's that would be a bit of a heavier topic to go into, but you know, it's not bad actually. Hold on, where's the link? Can you take longer than 1 month? Yeah, you can take 6 months if you want, but there's an inactivity rule. You have to press the button once every month. Yeah, you can go for 3 months, 2 months. No rebill. Topic for discussion, different future spot. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna write that down. That's actually good. Futures spot. Okay, difference between futures spot and how does they sync with each other? Okay. All right, wrote it down. Yeah, Lucid is basically, maybe it's better for those of you who are having another business or job that you need to maintain, and you know, you don't have to stress about the rebill. Just got to make sure you push the button once every 30 days. That's it. Oh, well, I don't know. I'm with the Flex accounts right now. I really like the Flex account, but the other one is good too. I forgot the name. I have so many different type of accounts. Hey, Raj, or Ray. Sorry, not Raj. Ray, what's up? Good to see you too, man. Yesterday was textbook watching the price action make fools. Oh, yeah, I think it was shaking out everybody, Randall. Everyone. Targeting 266. Okay. You know, I like that level down there. Look at that beautiful zone on the 5 minute. That just looks amazingly good here. Let me just get this off here, these trend lines. So this is an absolutely valid demand zone, by the way, down there. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes down there. 5 minute demand zone. And then my trade would be going to the... I might even change the bias on my end. Look at that. Now it's repricing, but there's no shift though. This small little fair value gap, but why do I have this weird feeling that it might go down? Anyway. Core. Sorry. Core. So many different accounts. By the way, everybody, until we're waiting for London Open, please help out the channel by smashing that like button. Thank you so much. Let's push that like button. Let's show the YouTube algorithm that we are here. Great community, good people. Let's help out the stream. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's smash that like. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Trade Delicious, what's up? December so far is good, a little bit slow, but like nothing special. All is good. Should I close this trade? Man, look at this. This 5 minute zone down there is, I mean, it looks absolutely great. Huh. Okay, I might close it down. I closed it down. Closed the trade. Exited at break even. I don't know. I just feel like that the London Open could be tricky. You know, price here got so close to that demand zone down there, by the way. Haven't clicked any buttons for 2 weeks. Oh my gosh, Ollie, wow. That's a good job. Actually, you know, you were not forcing yourself into anything. Exactly. Randall, I agree. It is very, very contrarian. This month is like, wow. Long sweep for 6850 ES. Let's see. 6850. Maybe. It looks good. It's a proper zone. It is. It is a proper supply zone there on the 5 minute. Oops, sorry. So yeah. ES could do it. It can. I'm not gonna take the trade, but yeah, it looks good. It going down. Overall today will be bullish. If this was accumulation here, by the way, if this area was accumulation and this is the manipulation, what if distribution is going to be lower? Martin, hello, good morning. Equal high at yesterday 11 a.m. on the 15 minute. Yeah, I don't see it. 11 a.m. on the 15 minute yesterday. Here's 11, but yeah, maybe on the mini. Oh yeah, I see it. Okay, on the mini. Yes. Well, it will be interesting to see what happens. Could be. Jerry, 6.2k unfunded. Oh my gosh. Merry Christmas, Jerry. That's a great achievement. 88 minute is bullish. Well, anyway, we have 1 minute and 20 seconds until London Open. So are we gonna get a move from this or not? That's the question. And as for gold, gold is not doing anything. NQ is moving higher a little bit here, but still a few seconds. Trading Star, hello. Oh, Trading Star, yesterday I received your voice message. I was just driving. And I will answer it. I think it's a good idea, by the way. I received a voice message. I think it's a good idea. I think that would be something useful and good for the videos that you said. I was driving and I was like, I just put the headset on and I listened to the message. And I was with my mother and I forgot to reply. She's doing good. She's better. Received the treatment yesterday. So now we're just kind of waiting. But she was super tired. But yeah, she's okay. We have the London Open here, so let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. I mean, that 15-minute level is still juicy. Anyway, I closed it at break even. She's okay. Yeah. Okay. Bit of a push higher. That's cool. We like it. I don't know, I guess. Could this be a possible manipulation? I don't know. Depends, right? Okay, I gotta be honest, I made a stupid decision here by closing that trade at break even. I exited break even. Actually, I made $1.34. And now it's going up there. Stupid decision on my end. Very stupid decision on my end. I thought that we're going down. That's what I get for punishment by not following my own rules. Thank you so much, Edgar. Thank you. I wish your mom is getting better as soon as well. Thank you, Edgar. Yeah, I don't know. I feel the FOMO. I made a stupid decision. I exited break even. Gold now? Let's check it. Oh my gosh, gold doesn't look good. There's nothing. We have some liquidity higher, I think. But I wouldn't touch gold. There's no proper supply or demand zone here that I could go with. Basically. It's not looking good. Gold is looking very ugly this morning. No clean level. Yeah, nothing clean here. And look at that. This one just goes higher. $4.85. Let's go, Chris. You want the cake? 6 bands. What's up? We're going to 417. Could be. Yeah, previous day high. And, you know, we have that supply zone up there. So this can be explosive. This can be the second stage to complete it. Ah. A Copenhagen sweep, it would be crazy. Yeah. If I could afford to. So anyway, we had the London Open here. Is this basically a fake out move, or is this gonna continue higher? to that zone? I'm quite curious. Still not too late to enter. Okay, 438. What is up there? Let's see. Look at that. Now it's going back down. Maybe not. Okay, maybe I'll give a second chance to this. So I entered again to a long position, but with a tighter stop. And we'll see. Basically the same trade. If it goes down, then I might going to make it back on a short to the 5-minute demand zone. What a crazy stupid thing I just did earlier by closing the position down. And this is typical. I mean, this is the prime example of how anyone can mess up the whole trading process, the whole trading day, by not sticking to the plan. Start second guessing yourself, and then it's a negative spiral. It's just super hard to get out from. So yeah. Exactly, Zacromancer. This what leads to account blowups. By second guessing yourself, closing down your original position, and then re-entering the same position with a much worse condition, risk wise. And if you lose this trade, then it even gets worse. You're gonna say, oh my gosh, I need to revenge trade. So then you're gonna take a trade to go short, and then that's gonna stop you out, and then it's all over. Then you're just on tilt. Yeah. Hikari, hello there. Good morning. True, that's true, RX. Yeah, you have to have confidence. Ash is gonna be at my funded TV serial. Don't worry about it. Ash is, I can't tell you exactly why. I know, by the way, but Ash is working a lot in the background, in the back end of my funded TV. All I can tell you, serial, that Ash has been appointed with some very important stuff related strongly to MyFunded TV. So, but he's just managing his own business as well and trading, and he has to focus on other things related to MyFunded TV. Okay, after this, I'm closing this position down. Okay, I'm done with NQ. I'm done with NQ today. That's it. I'm done. Done with NQ. Closed it down, and that's it. Before I go on tilt, because if I do something else with NQ, I'm gonna go on tilt. So no more trades today on NQ. I'm done. Actually, no more trades in this session. I closed the trade with a small loss. And this is just, I don't even care where it goes. This is just not good. This just put me on a bad, you know, track of emotions, and I'm not going to do that. I'm not gonna be a part of that. So I'm just gonna watch from the sidelines and no trades. I'm done with London session today. No more trades today. You see, I closed it down here. So I just totally messed up my morning. I entered the long position here, closed it down break even here. Then I took another long position up here. I closed it down here. And now it's going back up. It's done. I'm done. I'm okay. It's over. I can't do it. Yeah, it goes up. It's Friday. Yeah. Yeah, I'm folding the cards here. I can't trade this. This is BS. I made the mistake. It's not NQ's fault. I messed up my risk management process completely. So there's not much else I can do with this. I just messed it up. So whatever we do, I'm not going to take a trade in this stream. I don't even care if it's an eval. I'm not taking a trade on NQ. I'm over it. And not even on gold, actually. I might going to watch my indicators, how they are predicting. Actually, look at the indicator here that I'm using. It actually predicted a nice long signal on NQ earlier. Here, this was a really nice long signal in this area. A very good long signal. But anyway. Yeah. That helped me the most to reach the correct mindset. Oh, thank you so much, Zero, for saying that. Yeah, there's always a lot of work to do. Like that this morning. Good example how you can mess up your whole day if you're unable, especially if you're unable to stop, you know. Especially if you can't stop for the day. No, I'm not trading Canadian dollar. I tried to trade USD CAD like years ago. Not too much success. When do we get to use that indicator? Real soon. Real soon, I can tell you. Like really, really soon. Hold on. Where is that? Okay. It's not here. Actually, I'm waiting for this guy to do the final, to comply it. And its final shape and form. Oh my gosh. I'm way behind the chat. We can't stop when we know. Yeah, exactly. That's the problem, Trading Star. Like, it's so hard to stop when we know we messed up. Yeah. It's so hard. Good morning, Albert. Hello. Is that collection? Yeah, that's a BMW. This is my dream car. So if you ask me, like, hey Tom, if there's could be only one car for the rest of your life, or this is the final boss, the end game, this is it that you have to go with, that is going to be the BMW Z8. Basically, that's the ultimate dream car, the BMW Z8 James Bond, you know, the ultimate dream car, which is actually beautiful. I love this car. So I keep it here to send the message to the universe that we'll soon gonna have this car. It's about 200,000 US dollars average. It's a collector item. Now the problem is now it's a collector piece right now, unfortunately. I know the shape of the car is very controversial. Not everybody likes it. I get it. I completely get it. I think this is the most beautiful roadster that BMW has ever created. I mean, look at this. I mean, don't mind the sign here. That's just but look at this with these wheels, with the Alpine wheels, or Alpina wheels, sorry. It doesn't really get any better than this. This is the ultimate, the final boss is this car. So, you know, it's 200K used. Yeah. 200K used, and you know, it's actually, I don't know how much of a fans you are with James Bond, but it's Pierce Brosnan's James Bond car, the Z8. The ultimate piece of machinery. I don't know if you guys don't see it, right? Yeah, you don't see it. I have a picture here on my shelf. That's how much of an enthusiast I am. That I keep, actually, an image of a BMW 507 on the wall here. This is a BMW 507. Now the 507 is the predecessor of the Z8, basically. The 507. So so just letting you guys know, this is how much I want this car. Anyway, let's get back to the charts. Oh yeah, that is what I'm manifesting. Mercedes-Benz are better. Maybe they are better. I don't know if they are better, but I'm gonna stick with this one. Maybe they're better. Okay, NQ moving higher. Okay, looks like we have some moving parts here on gold as well. It's moving a little bit higher. Could be interesting to see this one go on gold. Okay, gold could be interesting. I have an Apex evaluation account. Maybe I'm gonna play on it with the indicator. I know I said I'm not gonna trade, but this is just a cheap Apex eval, and maybe I'm gonna take a trade based on the indicator. It's not cheap. It's not a cheap car. Yeah. I want to invite, by the way, some traders. I don't want to say the name, but I have a bigger name who said already yes to come to the stream. So that's going to be a surprise, but I don't want to jinx it until that person agrees. I mean, the person already agreed. I'm not going to tell if he's a she or a he, or a she or he or she. So you guys won't guess who it is, but I already got a yes. I just need to make sure which date. But hopefully I will get some other bigger names here. And not just bigger names, smaller names too. Absolutely. Everybody who is in social media. That would be awesome. Yeah, $25 Apex reset until December 23rd, everybody. No, come on. Terry always has a permanent seat here, so whenever she wants to come by to the stream, she can hop on anytime. She doesn't even have to be appointed. She just, when she says, hey, I want to come to the stream, boom. She gets a camera link and she just joins anytime she wants. Hard decision to make here on gold. Whoa! Carthy, hello. Carthy, we or the 5th. Sorry. Welcome. Thank you for joining the channel. Welcome, welcome. I took a small trade on an eval. Actually, where it is, I don't know. I think it's on an Apex account. Oh yeah, and as you can see, it's going lower. Don't worry, I'm just testing the indicator with like 2 micros. It's like $70. Okay. As for NQ, I think NQ is still gonna go higher. It just wants to. Terry was already here this morning. I didn't see her post. I mean, recently, yes, she was a guest here. The Hungarian country. Yeah, Mr. Smith. Yeah, she's a great trader, great mindset, absolutely positive vibes. We love her. She's really good. She's really brings every positivity that you can have in trading. I got Apex Eval and I was able to pass them. Are they getting hard? No. Everything, I mean, they paid me out ever since the new rules, so no problem. If you trade by the rules, no issue. The only thing is, you know, with the 30% drawdown rule, you got to be careful. That's a soft breach anyway. So just got to make sure to close the position before reaching the 30% drawdown. That's it. Otherwise, there's no issue. Great trader plus amazing daughter. Yes. Yes, she helps a lot to her mom. Really, really admirable and great. So... I live in Hungary. Carthy, good to see you here. Hungarian, center of Europe. Well, almost. I don't live in Budapest, but I'm not too far, like 100 kilometers south from Budapest. RX is saying lower first, then higher, then collapse to fill the gap we left from before CPI. That's a good plan. I'm from Hungary, yes, sorry. I'm always behind the chat, everybody. It's not because it's lagging or anything. I'm just slow on reading. The 30% drawdown rule is why people are complaining mostly, because they're letting their trades go below the 30% limit, which is not a hard breach again. So you can still continue to trade, but you gotta so on that current cycle, you might gonna get denied for the payout, so you got to continue to trade for the next cycle. Trade is still here. It's a little bit slow here. This was a great trade that I unfortunately didn't take on NQ. But yeah. I mean, many traders like to use the whole maximum loss limit for their trades because they like to play or trade heavier, which is okay, I get it. But usually, even when I want to go real aggressive, like let's just stay with an example of a 50k funded account. So on a 50k funded account, you have $2,500 of drawdown, right? That is basically that's what you're managing, $2,500 of maximum loss limit. Like, why would I want to put like I don't know, more than like $700 or $750 of risk on one single position instead of closing that trade with like a smaller loss, you know, lower risk? Like that would only give me like 3 or maybe less, 2 or 3 positions on that funded account if I use that much of a risk, even if I want to use that drawdown to the full extent. So why would I don't know, I would limit myself very much. So I don't care really about the 30% drawdown rule. But yes, there are traders who are using 100% of their maximum loss limit because they like to go big, and obviously they can slip to that kind of drawdown. But then for those traders, maybe it's not Apex that is the best Obviously, those traders have to go with another prop firm. Yes, also a scaling rule. Until you're not reaching the safety net, you're allowed to go with, for example, on a 50K, you're allowed to go with 50 micros or 5 minis. Yeah. So you got to be careful. It happened with me as well. I was on tilt and I smashed the buy button a couple of more times, so I oversized the position. But you know, even so, like 5 minis or 50 micros should be enough to take a heavier position. For example, on a 50K funded account. Like, why would we need more than 1 or 2 minis or 10 or 20 micros? Just saying, on a 50K. But you can still use 5 or 50, but still people go in with 10 minis. Imagine 10 mini or 100 micros on a funded account with $2,500 of maximum loss. Like, what is the point? There's no point in that. Absolutely no point. Dobro jutro, hello. Mark, welcome. 1 or 2 contracts gamblers go all in, no one respects that. Yeah. And you know, that's where Apex is making money. That's where some other prop firms are making money, by the way. Because you know, they know that you can go in with more contracts. And you know, obviously human nature is that we cannot accept the loss. We want to make it back as soon as possible. So by reflex, by bad habits, it's just going to happen. You're going to go in, oversize, and the prop firm knows this. The prop firm wants you to do this. So whenever a prop firm says, hey guys, we let you to trade with 10 minis on the 50K funded account. How awesome we are. And everybody keeps clapping like, oh, you guys are awesome. We can trade with 10 minis. You are the GOATs. The best prop firm ever to let the traders trade 10 minis on a funded account. And I'm just laughing like, really? Really? Is that a thing? Everybody's happy now that you can go with 10 minis on a 50K funded, having $2,500 of limit. That is instant loss, basically. Yeah. Exactly. Very easy also to push it up there. Very easy. They're not traders, they're gamblers, yes. I mean, everybody at a certain point in trading, everybody is, you know, poking that gambling habit every now and then, because this is how the business is built upon, right? And that's why it's so hard sometimes to accept those losses. It's such a strange business model. It's technically, if you think about it, it's a win-win situation. Because if you're good, if you have enough discipline, then it's no problem. You're going to succeed. If you have enough discipline, although you can take 10 minis or 100 micros, you should be able to stick with 10 micro, 5 micro, 15 micro, whatever. Who cares about the rest, right? But the prop firms, they want you to know that you can go. If you want to, you can. It's there for you. You know, they're whispering into your subconscious like, hey, you can go with 10 mini. We give you 10 minis. Go with it. It's yours to take. You can push that button. Just go. Go. There's no scaling rule with us because we are loving our traders so much. We care about our traders. We want our traders to succeed. We want you to make money. So we give you 10 minis. No scaling. Take it. It's yours to take. Don't worry. we want you to make profits on your first day. This is what traders are seeing, like, and everybody, oh my god, this prop firm really loves the traders. They really love us. This is the best prop firm ever. Okay, I'm starting to lose control. I am first generation Hungarian American. Hey, Timo, hello. My family fled Hungary in 56. Oh, Miskolc, I know. 2006. Timothy. Oh, yeah, I see the name Süveges, yeah. Oh my gosh, Timothy, welcome. That is amazing. Such great. I mean, thank you for being here on the stream. There you go, Mr. Smith. If you guys are using, by the way, the TOMSABO code, there are statistics actually. Oh yeah, there it is. Just a second. It has to be somewhere here. Yeah. Okay. So it's here actually. There has been a study. It's here somewhere. Okay, I found it. Okay, don't worry. All right. It says, it's actually here. I'm 100% sure that you guys can read it. It has been written here. Statistics and everything is here. It says actually, using the TOMSABO code gives the traders on average 1.98% higher pass-through rate on any given evaluation account. Yes, any given evaluation account on any prop firm. Funded payout probability increase is 0.22% higher than any other prop firm code, which is in this business is quite high. TOMSABO code gives you extra skills. Okay, we know that. Oh, it's here. And yeah, more statistics. TOMSABO code can be used for more maximum loss limit available at certain prop firms. Gives you more self-awareness and discipline. Traders usually, using, okay, it's written down here. Traders using the TOMSABO code usually more disciplined in real life, getting cheaper prices at gas stations and local grocery stores. It's here. Everything is written here. So, just saying, it works. Yeah, so you have to wait for another cycle. Sorry, back to being serious. Yeah, you have to wait for the next cycle. If you know, keep yourself to proper risk management, you're gonna get paid out. That's it. Just saying. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Camille. That's kind of crazy, yeah. Prop ethics. That could be an interesting one, yeah. Exactly. Exactly. When you have a big profit, when you have a lot of buffer to trade with, right? There you go. Another testimonial. Thank you, Martin. By using the code, I actually lost 15 kilograms. It's amazing. Thank you. Oh, hit the TP. Nice. It was just an eval. Yeah, yeah, discounting utility bills also works, by the way. Already using that. Thank you, Trader Zoltan. Thank you. Just having some fun time here. NQ is stuck here. I don't know what is going on. Okay. Let's see what else is going on here. Gold is going higher. Thanks to using Tom's discount code, I found 4 girlfriends in one day. I got married 4 times now. I told you it's working. Thank you. Okay, I like it. Thank you. Yakutsk. Oh man, I don't know which place is that. We stayed in the Hilton on Castle Hill. And to this day, I don't know if I tipped the bag handler 900 in forint. Oh. Well, you know, if you gave him $100, definitely a big smile. Timothy, that's awesome, man. It's a great story. Yeah, there's nothing to trade. Unfortunately, NQ is stuck. Yeah, exactly. At the pharmacy also works, by the way. My ex said we would go back only if I linked her Tom's. Okay, there you go. You see? You see? It works. Also works in jewelry stores as well. Just saying. Look at ES. Let's see. Oh, wow. Just we talked about this. You called it out, I think, right? 6850 there. We're going there. Sabo. Yeah, exactly. You can get it. It's there for you. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful pictures here from the Z8. I'm just looking at now. I'm looking at pictures from Z8s. Now this one has a red interior, but the wheels are the best ones. So whenever you guys are purchasing a Z8, just to let you know, you always gotta purchase with these wheels. So these are the factory wheels on the James Bond version. These are good too. Absolutely nice. But whenever you get a Z8, you gotta make sure to purchase it with the Alpina wheels. because this is how it goes. All right, just to make sure. So the Alpina wheels are always the ones to go with on a Z8. Just a friendly reminder, if any weekend you're deciding to purchase a Z8, it's got to be the Alpina wheels, okay? How's FundingTicks network, please? Yeah, well, they are good. Support is very good. Leaking Bob, very responsive and friendly support. Only positive experience. Got 5 payouts from them so far, but I'm focusing on like other prop firms too. Everything checks out with them. Everything payout was smooth in 24 hours. Everything handled precisely, nicely. The dashboard is great. Updating the dashboard is, by the way, updating every 1 or 5 minutes. I don't know, every couple of minutes it's updating, so you can have a payout intraday if you want. Everything is great with them. So, and of course they do the buy one get one for free promo. The Z1, that was a classy. I had a Z3 when I was younger. I had a Z3. Actually, I had 2 Z3s. A 1.8, then I switched to the bigger engine, the 2.8 Z3. I loved it. I had a Z4 too. Actually, where's the picture? I'm always having it here. Here's an old picture. I'm keeping it on my desk of my Z4. That's, oh, you guys don't see it, but that's my Z4. It was years ago. I actually had to sell it, but that was a nice car. Rank the big 3 BMW Audi. Well, number 1 is BMW for me. I'm not a huge Audi fan, but they are absolutely great. On the second place, I would put Mercedes and then Audi. So yeah, or are you looking for specific cars? I mean, exactly. MyFundedFutures is definitely great. I had the what disease? The disease. Z4 and after. Oh. When Volkswagen is good too, by the way. Lotus, beautiful cars. Lotuses. Aston Martin, oh yeah, that's good too. I mean, not that I have any experience, but as far as I'm following car YouTubers, so I'm following some car YouTubers, and I always like to watch some car YouTube videos. And those YouTubers are saying that Aston Martins, I mean, just like every, you know, luxury brand, but Aston Martins in particular, they're saying they're having lots of maintenance needs to be done, but usually like the older models, right? So obviously if you have a brand new Aston Martin, that's a different thing, but like if you have like a 10, that's not even an old one, like a 10-15-year-old one, definitely more maintenance. You can afford the wheel? Okay, get the wheel. IX. IX is, I mean, we have a couple of IXs in the city here. I saw a few of them. Obviously, I would be super happy to drive one, but it's not my style. It's not my style. Yeah. For me, it's a little bit like, I don't know. I don't want to offend anyone. So obviously, I would be very happy to have an IX, and I would be driving it, but it's just not me. It's not the one. It's not the type of design that I like. That's it. Corvette. Oh yeah, Corvettes are. I mean, I definitely love the Corvettes. The C7 with the big hood. I love it. Maserati. Oh yeah. Did you see the new electrical M3? Oh my gosh, I don't even want to look at. By the way, the brand new, the newest BMW models, the what's it called, Neue Klasse. So they're rebranding everything under the umbrella of this Neue Klasse brand. I don't like it. I definitely don't like it. I might have to turn away from BMWs from the brand new generations. The feeling has gone on my end. That passion that I felt always for BMWs, I don't feel it anymore with the new generations. I don't feel it. For me, looking at the brand new BMW right now is like nothing. I don't feel anything. That's the worst part. Like, I always like, oh wow, you know, such an amazing blah blah blah. But now I see the brand new. I saw the brand new. I mean, I don't know. I think I saw quite a few in the city or around Budapest and everything. And it was like, you know, it's good, but and I would be happy to drive one, but maybe I will. I don't know. Maybe it takes time. Maybe it takes time to like them, but it's just not my. I don't know. I'm not complaining. Nice cars and everything, but something is missing on my end. I don't know what's up with BMW designers nowadays. I don't know what's happening with the whole world nowadays. Have a towing capacity of 3 blondes. Oh, okay. Top sport luxury cars. Is it true? I think it's true. Like Porsche. Does they say Porsche, not Porsche? Porsche sales are down 95%. British TVR. Oh yeah. Tesla. Guys, Tesla. Everybody is buying Tesla here in Hungary. We have like Tesla in every street, every corner, every used car dealer. Everybody, the city here is filled with Teslas. Everybody's driving Tesla. Like, what the hell is going on? Like, just in my street, there's like 3 Teslas here down the street. Everybody's driving Teslas. I don't know what's up. No offense. I get it. Again, I get it. It's electrical. And it's, you know, I know, environment and, you know, cheaper, you know, no gas and you know, pollution, stuff like that. I just don't like the design. Not my type. I'm not, you know, I think I'm just not so much into electric cars. That could be the issue. But I have no choice. Combustion engines are, the days are numbered, I think. So electric cars are going to take over. I saw this new, there's a Mercedes factory in our city here. There's a Mercedes factory. They're manufacturing the A-Class and the CLA class. And anyway, I saw a E-Class as well with electric E-Class. I think it was an E-Class. And guess what? Or hybrid? Was it a hybrid? I don't know, but it was one of the brand new models. And imagine this. It has a sound resonator at the exhaustion pipes. So it's giving a sound as if it were a V8 or something. And it's so ugly. It's so ugly. You're seeing this hybrid Mercedes. I don't even know too much about it. But it has a sound. It has a speaker, basically. It has a speaker at the mufflers, which gives out the sound. Like, this is really what the world has begun to be. I mean, this is where we ended up, by having a speaker at the muffler, at the exhaust pipes, having a speaker that gives you a fake sound. I don't want to live in a world like this. This is just not like it. I don't know. Okay, obviously I'm just joking, but still. It's happening, you know. Speakers are giving out V8 sounds. It's a shame. It's a shame. Tesla Cybertruck plus 4 Raptors, yeah. Again, 1991 Hungary engineer built the big win, the T-34 tank. Oh, yeah. With the MiG-21 jet engine? Oh, wow. That's amazing. I didn't notice this. Iraqi forces set on fire ablaze. Wow. Wow, that's an interesting one. Thank you. Lexus LC 500. Yeah, everybody loves Lexuses. Look at that. Now I'm definitely feeling some FOMO by not staying in that trade. Electric Porsche. There's a guy here in the street who has a Taycan. Yeah, I might, obviously it's a beautiful one. I think it looks amazing. And yeah, I have to try it. I know. It's on YouTube. Wow. First they took the manual cars, now gas cars. What's next? Next we're gonna have the Tesla cabs all over the place. Going back to horses. Exactly. Let's see. Okay, gold is down there. NQ slowly moving up there. Slow grind, but it's moving. So I was so stupid to mess up my whole trading plan here. Should have just if I think about it, my entry was right here. Here was my entry. Here was my entry. And my TP was at 35. This was my original trade, guys. And I closed it down here. Anyway. Uber Air, Tesla Air, yeah, maybe. Invested in Optimus from Tesla. Oh, to trade my... Really? You think it can? You think it will do it for you? Maybe it will. Who knows? Perfect execution, right? Operators to control Optimus robot. Oh, that was a bit of a bummer. There was the premiere of the Optimus robot, and I was watching the videos, and I was like, wow, this is so amazing, because the robot was making a drink for the guests, you know, at the party. The robot was actually shaking hands with people and waving and, you know, doing jokes or something. I don't know. So I was like, man, this is awesome. This is the Optimus robot. And then obviously it came to surface that all the robots were moved by operators. So basically they were not acting on their own. And that was like, oh no. But obviously I get it. This is what they're trying to represent. Like, this is what the Optimus robot is going to do in the future. But I thought that that's the real thing. I thought that they are really doing it by themselves. It was crazy though. The moment the guy took the AI headset out, and the robot did the same thing. Yeah. Taxis are stupid. It will take only one person to throw up and then effective poke holes in the seats and vandalize the interior, and it will cost to handle. Yeah, I don't know how they're gonna do that. So yes, imagine like the passengers, some passengers at least, are going to vandalize those cars totally. So, you know, I mean, obviously it can be backtracked and prevented somehow, because anyone who's using a Tesla AI taxi or whatever, you gotta have a connection with your ID or debit card, credit card. So if there's any damage, it could be backtracked to you, especially if there's like a million cameras inside the cabin in the vehicle, and they will know if you put any damage in the car. I don't know. Controlling Optimus through Meta Quest VR. Yeah. Yeah, passengers. Yeah, I think that's the thing. Yeah, passengers will be rated, and yeah, that's the thing. How they can actually protect those cars. They will have cameras. Passengers will be rated. Obviously, at some point, as you want to pay for those rides, you have to pay with a certain debit or credit card, or you got to use some ID. So it could be easily proven or backtracked for the person who is damaging these cars, especially if there's going to be the rating system. Maybe it will work. It already exists with another company in the... Oh, that's awesome. Don't underestimate American ingenuity to destroy things and get away. I mean, who knows? I mean, this is just, you know, starting out, so obviously it takes time and effort. By the way, we had the pre-market open. Let's see. NQ, nothing. Gold went down a little bit. Have you seen videos? The looting in big cities and how they moved. I didn't, but I did see some videos. I think it was in Chicago or Philadelphia, I don't know, that people are actually looting and robbing cars on the move. So you're driving your car and another car drives next to you, and they're somehow breaking the window and grab your belongings from the back seat or something, and they just drive away like crazy. And also, some people are just walking on the street with some, I don't know, with some tool or whatever, and they're just easily breaking in the window and just grabbing the belongings from the seats in like 5 seconds or less, 3 seconds, like through the window, gets the stuff and walks away like nothing happened. I saw some videos about this. That's Oakland, California. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a high job. Yeah. But why is this? Is that why? Is it because people are so desperate? Is it really all about that? Like the whole world is now getting more desperate and desperate because everything is getting harder? Because there has to be a trigger at every person. It doesn't matter where they live, in the US or Europe or whatever. Crime rates here I mean everywhere in Europe, including Hungary as well, crime rates are going higher. Even in this city where I live, I mean, they are saying that, you know, mugging the cars, I mean, you know, all these things, I mean, because people don't have money. They're getting more desperate. They're doing stupid things. They do that to Uber drivers. Passenger informs friend. And the drop point or carjack easy since Uber doesn't do any checks. Ah, I see. RX. Oh my gosh. So that's actually could be a dangerous job to be an Uber driver. It's because they don't prosecute. They say it's because they have a difficult life. Since you can operate concern or conceal so nobody knows who has a firearm. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, that can actually somewhat help. I don't know. I really don't want to steer this into politics or anything. I guess having a gun on yourself here in Hungary, it's extremely difficult to carry a gun. Obviously you can do it, but you have to go through a lot of things to get a license. Psychological exams, multiple exams yearly. You have to go to an exam every single year, psychological exams and other stuff. Not physical, but you know, like, I don't know, some tests. But anyway, they love to attack bus drivers. Oh yeah, it seems like we're grinding higher here. Anyway, everybody, I think I'm gonna call it here since I'm not taking trades. I messed up this one. There's gonna be a Christmas giveaway soon. Yeah. So thank you everybody for watching. I'll be back for early New York session, but I'm not taking more trades here. I messed this up, so I have to stop as the way it is. Maxel, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Welcome. So sorry if I chatted too much, not about the charts. I steered away a little bit here, but there was nothing to do with the markets right now. Gold is just going sideways. NQ now also slowly grinding higher. Thank you so much. If you would like to support, please use the code TOMSABO up there. It really gives you the best deals and discounts. Apex is down 80%, by the way. Discounted activation fees. Check it out. Funded Futures Network, buy one get one free. Pro accounts are on sale, just like the Rapid accounts on MyFundedFutures, if you would like to use my code. And some other deals are still going on. Check out TRADEIFY. Lucid coming up strong. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are amazing. I love the community. No Cybertrucks here, Paul. Oh, by the way, I thank you for the email, Paul. I received it yesterday. I was driving. Thank you for the email. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So, thank you, Timothy. I wish you the best too. I like your bokat neked is. Have a great day, everyone. God bless you all. I'll be back for New York session. Cheers, everyone.